Welcome to our complete setup guide for Delta Executor in 2025. Let's explore what Delta Executor is and why it's essential for your PC experience. Before we begin, let's check the system requirements for Delta Executor. Ensure your PC meets these specifications for the best performance. Always download Delta Executor from official sources. In this section, we'll guide you on how to find reliable downloads while staying safe online. Now let's walk through the installation process step by step, ensuring a smooth setup on your PC. Once installed, it's crucial to configure the initial settings according to your preferences. Let's dive into the configuration options. Loading and executing scripts is a vital part of using Delta Executor. Here, we'll show you how to effectively manage your scripts. Encountering issues? No problem. We'll go through common problems and solutions to keep your setup running smoothly. Now that you're set up, let's explore some of Delta Executor's advanced features that can enhance your usage even further. Script security is vital. Here are some best practices to ensure your scripting experience is secure and safe. To wrap up, we've covered everything you need to know to set up and use Delta Executor effectively. Happy scripting!